Brought to you by the Asian Business Institute and Resource Center. Funding for Specialty Eats was made possible by a grant from the U.S. Department of Agriculture Agricultural Marketing Service. Its contents are solely the responsibility of the authors and do not necessarily represent the official views of the USDA.
Chayote. Chayote is a versatile fruit. It's enjoyed all over the world for its mild flavor and crisp texture. Chayote is used in salads, stir-fries, and soups, and it's valued for its nutritional benefits, offering low calories and high fiber content. Chayote's popularity spans cultures and cuisines, making it a beloved ingredient in diverse culinary traditions. A fun fact about chayote is that in every part of the plant is edible, from the fruit to the leaves, to the stem, and even the roots. This versatility makes it a sustainable and resourceful food source in many cultures where it's cultivated. Hello everyone, welcome back to ABIRC Specialty Eats video, continuing our specialty eats featuring our star today, chayote. In today's cooking, we'll be making a stir-fry beef dish, right?
Yes.
And using our chayote, which is locally grown by our Asian farmers, and it's a specialty crop to our Central Valley. Okay, and then first off here, we'll begin by using our paste or these herbs right here. These herbs right here, two options. You can turn it either into a paste or just use the herbs like this in the dish. Here we have galangal, we have ginger, we have peppers, shallots, kaffir leaf limes, and some garlic. In order to get the paste, you will have to put all of this into the pestle and then use the mortar and just hit it a few times. And after that, you will get this paste here. Okay.
Yeah, also lemongrass.
Oh yes, and also, sorry, forgot to add that as well. Lemongrass isn't here, but then it's also added into the paste as well to make the paste thick and more fragrant. And today, I wanted to introduce our chef Vilay here, in which he will be cooking us a delicious dish today. And what are we cooking today?
Oh, we're gonna stir fry chayote for the meat. Then we use the same paste as like you mentioned earlier. So that's optional. We don't have to use that, but instead I use it because I like the way it tastes. I like the way it smells. It turned out to be more flavor and more smelling good kind of stuff.
Let's go ahead and get started with the dish.
Then we're gonna just throw this in. This olive oil here. Okay. Let's let it get warm, get hot.
Yeah.
Maybe a couple minutes wait until it get hot.
Yeah.
And we just throw the paste in there.
Okay.
So this time I add more ginger. Because the main dish when you stir fry, I think mostly people use this as 80%, yeah.
Okay. And do we wait for it to start bubbling up a little bit?
No, just make sure it's like hot enough, and you can just throw this in. So, stir it. Because when you make a paste out of it, the flavor is more. And the way it tastes and the way it smells. So instead, just one by one.
Yes.
So just throw this ginger in. So just make like bright, light brown. Then it should be good for the meat. Yeah. Couple minutes. So you can tell. You can look at it when it turn light brown. So it smells, it's coming out.
Yes. I think the ginger really enhances all of the herb smell that we've already put in there.
So now.
And today's choice is beef, right?
Yeah.
Protein.
This is beef.
Okay. And you just stir this till it's like almost cooked?
It's cooked.
Fully cooked?
Yeah, it's cooked.
Okay.
Because the beef is cooked faster. Because you slide thin over.
Okay. And after we let it simmer in the aromatics, what else do we do next?
And then we're gonna put the chayote.
Oh, the chayote.
Yeah,
Okay.
chayote on it. Then make it just like make sure it's soft enough. Then we throw some sauce. Then it should be, that's it. After that one cooks easy. Throw this on top. Green onion, cilantro, black pepper. Then by the time we close this pot, we just put the black pepper on the top. And throw this little bit on the top. And we just turn it.
Okay.
Yeah. Because the main dish is going to be this.
Yeah, the meat is so there. And we usually don't eat the skin of this, right? Or
It's option.
okay.
Yeah. Because this is not grow up by the ground. It hang.
Yes.
Because they make the roof for it. So it when they grow, it hang on it. It's on the air. So it's pretty much clean. But this one you can eat with the skin. It's option. Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
So now I think so you can tell the meat is cooked already.
Yes.
So you throw this in. Okay, we're gonna put the lid on so it keep more steam. So we want the yogurt softer.
Okay.
Yeah. This is almost done.
Yes.
Just a couple things left and that's it. This one's easier.
Yes.
I think stir fry is easier.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
I think especially with chayote because it's a little bit on the thin side, the
Yeah.
cuts as well.
Because
So
I
it
slide
could
thin enough. Already.
Yes.
Because this option too is soup option. You can put the meat and the yogurt, and at the same time. Because sometimes, if the meat too cooked, it's gonna be tender no more. It's gonna be too crispy.
Oh.
Yeah. Because you want the meat have juicy a little bit.
Yes. Is there also such thing as picking out like a good chayote versus like a bad chayote as well? Or is all they just the same?
These things are easy to tell.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because first it's a small thing, and it's green the whole thing. So when there's something wrong, you can tell right away. Yeah, I think it's good enough. Now we're gonna throw the awesome sauce around. After that, stir a little bit.
Is the chayote supposed to be eaten very soft or at least like crunchy? A little bit crunch to it?
A little bit crunchy.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, because right now, everything should be complete.
Yes.
So we just throw this on the top, make it look better. Same thing as cilantro. Okay. Pepper. So I put this, it's just for the look, but we can eat it too. It's option. Just a couple seconds. I think that's it. We can shut it off. Yeah, we can shut it off. Then before we finalize, before we serve customer, just throw this on the top. Just a little bit. And that's it. That's the way it looks.
Yes, that looks delicious.
The fish sauce is optional. Normally people don't use it. Because stir fry asang, you use oyster sauce. That's enough. Because a lot of ingredients in oyster sauce already. So when you put it on, you can tell. Because stir fries, a lot of people don't like really salty or really, too much this, too much that. So stir fry, it used to be in a low kind, like no salt. and it because we can eat, we can eat with the steamed rice, and we can eat we can have a soup on the side on it too.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. This one's done.
Oh, perfect.
Complete.
Looks delicious.
Okay, let's serve it. Okay.
Okay.
This time.
Oh, wow. It smells very good too.
It's plastic, that's why it's hard to get it. Okay.
Oh, wow. Thank you. And this is usually enjoyed over with rice, sticky rice, or
Steamed
white
rice.
rice?
Steamed rice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Steamed white rice. Okay. Okay. Well, thank you for cooking this up for us. Let's go ahead and dig in. Can't wait to try it.
Right. Pretty good, huh?
It's
The
delicious.
yolk is pretty crunchy too.
Yeah, it's very crunchy. I think it complements the beef and the whole dish. Adds a little pistache to the dish. So it's very delicious. And thank you to Chef Vilay.
My pleasure.
And on behalf of ABIRC and Specialty Eats,
Happy
happy eating.
Awesome. Okay, that's a wrap.
Thank you. This is extremely good though.
Yeah,
It's delicious.
cause this thing is crunchy. Then like I said, you can do a lot of things with this too. Yeah.